Not only does this game have the best
What are you doing
music
again?
ever, I'm recording a video with my
Oh.
friends.
Alright.
And we're gonna play a simulated sports-like
Have you
experience.
started recording?
See, this is why I can't take you anywhere. This is why we can't have nice things. Alternating spawns. We're gonna go here, go there, go everywhere. You guys ready?
Yep.
Let's go. So, Captain just introduced this game to me and Poop, and we couldn't stop laughing
I'm
the
not
entire
ready.
time.
Hold on.
Oh, well, it's waiting for you.
Oh shit. Okay. Alright.
I like the chest here. That's a nice touch.
Thanks.
Yeah, so Captain introduced us to this game, and we just couldn't stop laughing. Figured it'd be perfect, so here it is.
Anton Upright.
You gotta get him up.
The tongue sticking out is the best.
I love the
Truman
face on
Bodie.
the chest.
The swinging dongs.
Reach for it. Reach for it. You look like a purple Gumby.
Oh, I see what we're doing here.
Oh,
Oh, you have to be within the lines, okay.
I guess.
Oh.
Oh, that's beautiful.
His name is Napoleon.
Napoleon Picerno. The mustache really works.
That's beautiful.
Yep. Then you gotta go across. Yeah, there you go.
This clearly isn't how you're supposed to play this game. Napoleon Van Damme. Again.
Get that goat. Yeah, right in the butt.
Right in the booty.
Want your dong on the horn.
There you go.
There you go.
Yep,
Keep
swing
going
the hand
across.
out.
Brian Goldberg.
Why is he blue? And an angel.
The lips. It's gonna be so hard to get up there.
We'll make it work.
Oh my god, I have a character that looks almost just like that.
Oh, I guess you have to... There you go. If you're not grabbing onto something, you're like, fucked.
Yeah, you can't move. There you go.
Yep, you're getting that
Right
goat's
on the-
ass. There you go. Grab hands.
Nice.
Touch hands. Touch
Yeah.
hands.
Perfect.
Right on my
placement.
junk.
That's as close as you can get.
I love the tongue sticking out. It just adds to the like, desperation of it all.
There you go. Keep going.
There you go. There you go.
Just make a sex pile right there. Just bring the top hand. Oh, oh, okay. Come on, Mauricio Gregerson.
The groaning sounds. Oh man, this game could be improved tenfold by just including random grunting sounds as your character moves.
Uh-oh.
Let go of that goat's ass.
Just get that hand straight up. That one hand.
It's like a spider. The cat hat. I love it.
Really get it in there. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Your dong caught you up a little there. Oh,
Oh,
oh. Get back up there. 13 seconds.
it's just a pile of bodies. You got the W.
Santiago Sharf. Just
Spider-Man.
Spider walk.
Get that foot.
Get that goat.
Let go of that foot. Let go of that foot. The other foot.
No, but this is hilarious.
The pendulum dick. Hey.
There you go.
Yep. Now you've wasted about half your time.
Grab my hand. Grab my hand. There you go. Swing yourself up there. Oh!
I can't do it.
15 seconds. Get up there.
Go, Booby, you gotta get that S.
Drop the D. There you go.
There you
9,
go.
8, 7.
Oh, you got it.
6,
No, no, you got it. Let go. Yes.
3,
Swing up, swing
2.
up, swing up. Well done.
Greg Fulganity. Use my hair as a leverage point.
Get up there.
There
you go. There you go. There you go. Right there. Climb the fucking ladder.
Nice.
I don't know if you can. Oh, there you go.
Oh, now we can go left or right a long ways.
Oh, sweet. Yeah. Oh.
Getting to the goat is the best part. Oh,
Wrong button.
grab the fro. There you go.
Just getting there. There you go. Keep going.
AB, there we go.
Nice.
The tongue just makes it look like he's like stretching and
Yep.
what
That's
the
the best
fuck are
part
his
about
legs doing? Is he like crossing his leg? He has to take a shit that bad?
Nice. Oh, get there. Reach with the other hand. Okay.
There you go. There you go. Yep. Yes.
Douglas Arundel. Is it just me or does this one look a lot like Smash?
I wouldn't know. I just know he's a little Asian dude.
He's not very little.
Really average size Asian dude.
Yeah, just hump him. Just hump him.
Yep.
The
To the
pendulum.
left, to the right, dab on him, dab on him. Come on, Cornell.
Cornell, Urios.
Eurostageu, Eurostageu.
Eurostageu.
High five.
Everybody that comes up that way gets a high five. Nice. Not nice. Another high five. There you go.
Ten seconds. Mac Carvis.
This is the fact we've been doing this for 12 minutes now is just fucking amazing. Like, this game is the best.
Oh!
Wrong
Uh-oh.
button.
Alright, you got it. You got time. You got time.
35 seconds.
Grab that. Yep, there you go. Bring it up. There you go. Nice.
There you go.
10 seconds. Nice.
I just love the polka dots, okay?
Xavier Ashkettle. Convenient.
Professor X. Is his superpower sticking to things? Yes, there you go. There you go. Right. Oh. Yes.
Why is it not sticking?
Grab it.
Just grab it by the pussy. Gotta get above that line. 6 seconds. 4.
Ooh,
Oh, wow.
Oh my god. What the fuck is that?
Quentin Teramoto.
Quentin.
Nice.
How can you grab that? But I couldn't grab the hand.
I
that
know,
was
right?
there.
Uh-oh. No.
Oh, 10 seconds.
10 seconds. You're not gonna make it. Yep, go back, go back. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Nice.
Barely.
I was trying to do something fancy and I just couldn't get it to work. Oh my god. That was
Way to grab
close.
that, bro.
Cartier Sisson-Fu. From the nation of Poop Biscuits.
Oop, he's gay. See, what the fuck?
I know.
It's because it's his own teammate, that's why.
Nice.
Just get there. Just walk it out. Just walk it out.
Oh my god, that's so good.
I just love the harness. The harness is what sells it.
Oh, wow. There you go.
That can be a tough grab if you don't grab the goat's butt just right.
Yes. So you should just walk it up.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This...
There's no way I'm gonna make it.
You can get there. We
Just
haven't
swing
got
it.
too far up. Nice. Swing it around.
Oh, shit. Get back up.
Yes.
Oh my god. That was so
Jesus
close.
Christ.
Armpit. To afro. To kneecap.
Foot.
To hand. High five. Nope. Well, yeah, kinda. Foot five. Oh. There you go.
No!
Oh no!
That was close.
Holy shit. Nice.
This is getting intense now, boys. It's 2:45 in the morning and I don't give a fuck. This is fucking hilarious.
You got lucky there.
Let go of the button.
Oh, okay.
Did you forget how to play? We've been
I
doing
didn't
this for
realize you
20
had to let go
minutes.
of the button.
Oh shit.
Now the question is, would you rather spawn on the left or the right?
I know.
Neither at this point.
You just
The
rather
left has
spawn
more
on
of a
top?
straight up climb. But there's this big old gap right up here.
You basically have one leg to grab and then one hand to grab.
Yep.
Whoever comes up with this is a fucking genius. Wait, I don't know. I don't even know if you can get up that high from the side. Oh yeah, you can. Okay.
Yeah, you can.
I couldn't see the line for a second.
Spider.
I like how that your dude poop is just kind of floating off the other guy.
Yeah.
Like he's not even.
Nice. Scrotum to scrotum. Oh. Swing. Huh. All right. Oh.
Oh no. The
There you
goat
go.
broke your fall.
Why a goat, by the way?
Why not? Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're running out of space. You dick. You dick.
That just fucks me over next time.
Depends on which side you spawn on, because I said it's a random.
No, you set it to alternating.
Oh, did I?
Yep.
Shit.
Nice. Way to just fall into it.
I thought that hand was gonna let go.
Alright, come on, black man.
Orville Biden. Orville Biden. Nice placement.
There you go, good grab.
What?
Oh,
Swing that arm around. D.
Yeah, come on.
gotta let go. There you go. Hey, up. Let go with A. There you go. Halfway out of time.
Yeah, I know. Doesn't matter. There's no way I'm getting out of this. Come on, get.
Get up there.
There you go.
Yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo. Oh.
Uh-oh, this is gonna fuck whoever spawns on that side.
Oh. Damn it.
Got this, Doopy. Get your purple
This is
guy up
cube.
there.
No, this is cube.
Oh.
I'm screwed because I've got to get on that other side.
Nice. The music's so dramatic.
I know.
Everett Z. Nice placement.
Nice.
Good technique. Yep. Yep. That works.
Yeah, the right side ended up being way harder.
Yeah, because of your dude blocking everything.
Nice.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Yes!
Fuck.
Yes!
that sucks.
Would you look at that, guys?
Oh, man. Good game.
Just watch it follow the whole thing up there. Just whoop, 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 whoop. Nope, we went over here. Oh, oh, oh.
It kicked me out.
Oh, me too. Well, that was Mount Your Friends, a simulated sports-like experience. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you on the next video.
Bye.